Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Zainab of Sisters Beat, the creativity enthusiast. So on this video I'll be showing you how I make this gorgeous boss lady kind of long jewelry. So first you need this elastic string, which we will be using for our bracelet, and then the fishing line size 70, which is the main ingredient for this jewelry. Then your scissors, of course, to cut at least 40 inches of the fishing line. So after cutting at least 40 inches, then you start by passing in your colorful beaded beads into the string. Yes, beaded beads. They're so cute and beautiful. I love these beads, and they come in different kind of colors, and they're just very affordable at our store. You can get a string of it at just 400 naira. Then we are making use of this size 10 of pearls or Cortex bead, anyone you call it. We also have it at our store at the price of 300 naira per strand. Fishing line, the fishing line of size 70 is 400 naira. Then the elastic string is 200 naira. So basically, for this kind of jewelry, you don't even need much. You need less tools or no tools, because the only tool you need is just your scissors, and it's just to cut your string. Then you continue by passing in your beads into your fishing line till you reach your desired length. Then you stop. So here we are just passing in. As we are doing so, please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do so. Hit on that notification bell, like, share, and don't forget to comment on what you would like to see next. And do refer your friends and family to this channel so that they can learn a lot about beading from us. We are going to be sharing a lot amazing and creative content, so you wouldn't want to miss anything. So I'm almost there, but we keep on passing till we get to what we want. In case you feel like picking up this item from our store, you can visit our Kaduna State store at number 17 College Road, opposite Araye Junction on Gwandosa, Kaduna, Nigeria. And if you're in Kano, we have an outlet at number 5 Director Street, Karkasara, behind Aminu Kano Teaching Hospital, Kano State, Nigeria. We also do deliveries. Wherever you are, we can send it down to you, so your mind should be at rest. You can't miss getting your items from us. So now I'm trying to measure to see if I've gotten the desired length that I want, but it seems like I need to add some few more. Then I'll wrap it up, or tie it up rather. This is the most fastest jewelry you can ever make, and it is the most expensive looking jewelry. So far you have the right beads, then you're just good to go. So imagine wearing this, like you can wear it with almost 5-6 outfits, and it will just blend in, because the colors there on the beaded beads are just something that can just go in with almost all your outfits. We have pink, yellow, purple, red, green, and also we even have the orange that we have there. Yes, orange. We also have blue. So can you see? So now I've gotten my desired length, so I'm trying to tie it. I'm making at least 2 or 3 ties, and I will also be pulling it very well to make sure that my thread is actually very tight. You don't want a situation whereby your fishing line actually lose out or something like that. So you try, despite the fact that your hands are going to turn red like mine, just make sure that everything is very tight. So that's it. Now I will be cutting out the excess fishing line out. Pretty colorful. So now we will get into making our bracelets. This jewelry has this kind of boss lady vibe, you know. I just love this jewelry. It's so much complete, complement everything like you wear, most especially if you are having this kind of casual look or kind of this bossy look. So this is just the right jewelry for you. Or if you are wearing this your gowns like boo boo, and you're just thinking of what am I going to pair, what accessory am I going to use to pair this thing with, immediately you have this, like, girl, you're good to go. So now I'm passing in my pearls into my elastic thread. This is size 0.8, which is the perfect size that you need. I'm also trying to ensure that my beads cover my wrist, so please don't have like spaces in between one bead to another. Just make sure that everything is well covered. You don't want a situation whereby like line of string will be seen on your wrist. So I'm just ensuring that I put everything perfectly. Then I'll cut out the string, and then I'll also tie just like I did for the long jewelry. I'm doing 3 ties here. Yes, then I'll also pull and just make sure that it's very secured and very tight before I cut the excess out. And I'll also what, clear my mess. So please, whenever you're working, just ensure that you always clear your environment where you're working. So now just take a look at how this gorgeousness is looking, and I'll be trying it out. So this is one way that you can wear it, whereby you can just adjust the bead, the colorful ones to be by the side, and then this is your bracelet. Just look at, then I'll make an adjustment now to bring the colors in the middle. So this is another way. Like, this is so gorgeous. I love this. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly do so. Hit on the notification bell, like, share, comment, and don't forget to show us some love. Bye.